By the way, for some of you guys who don't know, I'm filming this actually on my Pixel 3a. And the reason why I'm bringing that up is because today on Twitter, having a nice conversation with the crew, basically tweeted and said that Technoid has officially replaced Front Page Tech as my go-to for watching tech news reports. And very interesting. If you guys haven't seen Technoid's video today, definitely check it out. And one of the things I really love about his channel is that he changes it up a little bit. You know, you get your videos from him where he gives you information regarding the latest tech news out there, whether it's from phones to game consoles to articles being written, and yeah, it's good stuff. It really is. I definitely recommend you guys subscribe to his channel. But then he tends to make these intros every now and then that just kind of like comes out of left field and totally like blindsides you. But it's very. Why is my cat crying like that? It's very fun and interesting. And yeah, so today's one, I'm not going to spoil it. You guys have to go to his channel to see what today's intro is. Do you guys hear my cat? I don't know my cat is crying for something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not really going to edit this video too much, but so after posting that Technoid has replaced Front Page Tech as my go-to source, and then I guess John Prosser probably caught wind of that, and right on my feed, as soon as my Twitter feed refreshed, there it was. John Prosser tweeted out that the Pixel 4a is again delayed. Delayed announcement. So announcement was suspected to be July 13th. We were supposed to get that and be shown the Pixel 4a and finally get some sort of answers to it. When is it going to come out? How much is it going to cost? What is specifically the specifications of this thing? And then John Prosser tweets, another delay in that again. August 3rd is the suspected announcement date. Google, you are just... If you are trying to be the first company to ever release a device that everyone's just going to completely give up on, you have successfully done that, Google. You have successfully done that. You have postponed this device for so long, knowing that people were going to have a big interest in it because the Pixel 3a did so well last year. It outsold your flagship Pixel 3. Let's get that right. And was selling throughout the year of 2019 and was selling throughout 2020. It just recently got pulled where you cannot buy a brand new one from the Google store. You cannot order one for Google Fi right now. The only way you're going to get a brand new Pixel 3a is if they're still in stock at Best Buy or various other tech websites that you can purchase them from. Other than that, if you want a Pixel 3a, you're going to have to go used, either through Mercari, through OfferUp, if you want to pick it up like right then and there, same day, or Swappa. So Pixel 3a pulled off the shelves. Everyone's waiting for the Pixel 4a. Those that have the Pixel 3a that's like, I want to upgrade to the Pixel 4a, want this device already, and Google just seems to keep crapping on their own stuff. Like when everyone goes out there and says Google just doesn't do hardware right, they just can't master it, they just can't do it right. And then you got people like me who are like in the back of Google cheering them on, like, you could do this, like literally telling Google in the Charlie Brown voice, you could do this. And then you fail us every time with this, we're gonna delay it again. So like every bit of hype that you think you're building behind it by postponing it and by delaying it, if you're thinking that you're holding up a piece of meat and like, teasing everyone to just come your way, you're doing the exact opposite. You're having everyone being like, bye, Felicia. Because that's what everyone's thinking right now. Everyone's like, again, another delay, screw it. I'll just go with something else. And like OnePlus stealing the thunder with the OnePlus Nord. Come on, Google. Like, you are seriously failing yourselves. You are tripping over your own feet. You are the reason why you're hitting a brick wall, because you see the wall and you still want to run. You don't want to jump over it. I don't understand where Google's going with this. Leaked stuff about the Pixel 5. Already, they're leaking stuff about the Pixel 5. They're getting everybody interested in the Pixel 5 already. You're losing steam on the Pixel 4a, and then you want to delay it again. An announcement, sure, yeah, no big deal. Some people will be like, it's not a big deal, Tito, it's just an announcement. It's an announcement that we've been waiting for that is delayed, late, again. The Pixel 3a came out at Google I.O. last year. When was that? In May. We're not even near May anymore. We're like in the middle of July. We're about to hit August here pretty soon. And then what happens in August? August is what? Samsung's event. So the Galaxy Note, that's gonna take up everyone's interest and whatnot. So my gosh, Google, you shot yourself in your own foot, but you didn't do it with a 9mm or anything like that. You shot yourself with a 12 gauge. You used a 12 gauge and blew your foot off. You guys just don't. You're not getting it right, and I don't understand. Like, I have faith in Google to an extent, but you got to call it like you see it, and I don't understand why at this time would they even do this. I'm sure there's going to be some really good reason to the delay that's going to be released out there, and someone's going to comment that later on in the week as to why. I really don't care why anymore. Give us the phone, Google. That's all we want. Give us the phone. That's what people want already. They want to upgrade to this thing. Let it go. Take a cue from Frozen, Google. Just let it go. That's all I gotta say on that, guys. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed what I had to say. Dislike the video if you guys didn't like it. Doesn't really bother me. If you just found the channel and subscribe, thanks so much for doing so. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload vlogs like this. Check out the channels in the description to those that I suggest you guys check out and subscribe to. Shout out to Technoid, a really awesome dude. He's doing a live stream tonight, by the way, so you guys want to watch that. Don't miss it. Go to his channel. Channel link in the description, by the way. And yeah, I'm out of here, guys. Peace.